Have you ever wondered how to automate your computer maintenance and updates? In our digital age, it's crucial to keep our computers operating at their best. Regular maintenance and updates not only ensure optimal performance, but also protect against potential threats. But let's face it, these tasks can be time-consuming and easy to forget. Enter the world of automation. Imagine if your computer could take care of its own maintenance and updates without you having to lift a finger. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it sounds. By leveraging the wonders of automation, you can set your computer to automatically perform these tasks, saving you time and effort. One tool that makes this possible is the Event Manager. It's like your computer's personal assistant, quietly working in the background to keep things running smoothly. With the help of the Event Manager, you can automate these tasks without breaking a sweat. Now, you might be wondering, what is this Event Manager? Well, let's dive in. The Event Manager is a core component of your computer's operating system. It's the behind-the-scenes powerhouse that ensures all your system's events, which are actions or occurrences detected by the software, are managed effectively. The Event Manager can handle a diverse array of tasks. It's responsible for logging system messages, alerting you about critical issues, and even automating routine maintenance tasks, like updating your software or cleaning out your temporary files. Imagine it as a diligent personal assistant that never sleeps, constantly keeping an eye on your computer's health and performance. It handles those tedious tasks that you'd rather not think about, freeing up your time for more important matters. And the best part? It's capable of learning and adapting to your specific needs, making it an invaluable tool for maintaining a smooth-running system. In essence, the Event Manager is your personal assistant for computer maintenance. So, how do you use the Event Manager to automate computer maintenance? Let's dive right into it. Step 1, open up your Event Manager. You can do this by typing Event Viewer into your search bar and clicking on the application. This tool is a goldmine for managing your system's operations. Step 2, once inside, navigate to the Task Scheduler located on the left side of your screen. This is where the magic happens, where we can set up tasks for our computer to automatically carry out. Step 3 involves creating a basic task. Click on Create Basic Task on the right side of your screen. A wizard will pop up, guiding you through the process. Here, you'll name your task and give it a description. This could be anything from weekly disk cleanup to monthly system update. Step 4, set a trigger for your task. This could be daily, weekly, monthly, or even when a specific event occurs. This flexibility lets you tailor your automation to your unique needs. Step 5, choose an action. This is what the task will actually do. You can select from a range of preset actions or browse for a program or script. If you're looking to automate disk cleanup, for instance, you'd browse for the disk cleanup utility. Step 6, review your settings. Make sure everything is as you want it. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back and tweak it. The final step, Step 7, is to finish and save your task. Click on Finish to save and activate your task. Your computer will now automatically carry out this task according to the schedule you set. This process can be repeated for as many tasks as you want to automate. The beauty of this is that once you've set it up, it requires minimal intervention from you. It's like having a personal assistant for your computer. And there you have it, a simple process to automate your computer maintenance. To recap, we've just walked through using the Event Manager to automate computer maintenance and updates. We started with understanding the Event Manager, which is a powerful tool in your computer's operating system. Next, we moved to the step-by-step process of setting up automation for general computer maintenance and updates. Automation offers several benefits. It saves you time, which is our most precious commodity. Instead of manually performing maintenance tasks and updates, your computer can do it for you while you focus on other important things. Moreover, automation ensures regular maintenance. It's easy to forget or procrastinate on these tasks, but with automation, your computer won't skip a beat. It will regularly check for updates, install them, and perform maintenance tasks, making your computing experience smoother and more efficient. So why not give it a try? Automate your computer maintenance and updates and enjoy a seamless computing experience.